Hi, I'm Ali, and this is 10 minutes in the perfect capsule wardrobe. Everyone has those things that spark joy. For me, it's always been fashion. So clothes, shoes, bags, and I can't stop buying them. It still takes me such a long time to get ready every morning, and every time I leave the house, I still hate my outfit. I always end up wearing the same old things, so I wear tank tops, leggings, hoodies, and sneakers because sneakers are comfy and casual. This year, I'm on a mission to change that. I'm trying to level up my wardrobe while maintaining the quality and quantity of the things in my closet. I'm focusing on buying the essentials, but only in neutral colors. Did my high school uniform really have it right? I hope not. So first things first, I need to be focusing on what I need in my capsule wardrobe, and for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna focus on my style for capsule wardrobe. I think it depends based on what you like and the colors you wear, but for me, I really like neutrals. I kind of mix in some color every now and then, but I like neutrals. So I looked at articles from websites like Vogue and Net-a-Porter, and I made a spreadsheet which will be available in the description box below if you wanna see everything and the articles that I looked at. But I've also created this. This is a master list of everything that the internet says that you should have in your capsule wardrobe. I think that you kind of need one piece from every single item in each list. So under tops, you need one tank top, one tight t-shirt, one oversized t-shirt, etc. But based on your personal style, you can do like a pink t-shirt if that's what you would wear, or you can do a tank top with a cutout or a deep V-neck or something like that. For me, I just kind of like having the average basics, like a plain tank top and a plain tight t-shirt, and I will show you guys all of my favorites. Okay, we're starting out here with tank tops. This one is Aritzia. It is gray. I really like it. It is just way too short, and I don't really have a bra that fits with it that you don't see the straps. This one, I have the same exact problem as you can see here. I want to buy this one Skims bra, but I just haven't bit the bullet yet. But this one was a Christmas present, and I like having a nice black tank top. Next up, we have tight t-shirts. This one is Skims because Skims is the best for tight t-shirts. I do want it in more colors, but for now I just have this white Zara one and this brown Aritzia one. So we've done the tight t-shirt section of this video. We're moving on to my oversized t-shirt pick for the video. This is a white Zara one. It was really cheap. I think it was around $20. It is not my favorite thing in the world though. The sleeves are just a little bit too long, and I just don't think it's very flattering on my body type, but I like it kind of tucked in on both sides like that. Anyways, next up, uneven boobs are in, don't make fun of me. This is the white Aritzia square neck top. I also have the black bodysuit, and the white one is a dupe of another Aritzia one that I don't have because I don't like to stain white tops that are expensive, so it's cheap. Next up is button downs. I got this at a store in Europe called Anel, A-N-E-L. Don't ask me. I think it's the weirdest store name ever, but I do kind of like it. Not obsessed with the fabric, but it was only €5, so why not? I have so many button downs. I never tend to wear them, but I do like them kind of tucked in on one side like that. But like I said, I literally have a million. I have this blue one. I have this brown one. This one's white and green stripes. This one's a gray Dior one, which is fun. Black one from Walmart, and another like tanny khaki color. And this is me cleaning them all up because I can't stand mess in my room. We're moving into turtlenecks. This one's from Brandy Melville back in the day when Brandy Melville was the most popular store in the world, and this is a brown Aritzia one, which I love as well. It's so comfy. We're heading into knit sweaters. This is just one that I featured. It is literally a $1,000 sweater that I got for like 14 bucks at the thrift store because thrifting is the best thing in the world, and it's cashmere. Don't look at my face. I was severely struggling to get into that. That was awkward. Okay, we are going into blazers. For my featured blazer of this video, this is an Aritzia one that I got for free by accident. Don't mind all the dust flying around. It is the sweater. But I do kind of like this one. I think it's a little bit too oversized for me. I find it awkward to style, but it's cool. For mini skirts, this is my favorite mini skirt in the world. It's green, which you might find unexpected, but I love pairing it with things in the summer or on vacation. I also have this black and this white Aritzia one that I love. It's from Sunday Best, and it was like $35. Go buy it. It's cheap and it's comfy. I thrifted this for Europe actually, and it's just such a vibe. I was kind of just trying to show you guys that it is a midi skirt, and then I changed the angle again, but I do like this one. It's kind of just satiny silky, and it's just really pretty. I like the champagne color. For a maxi skirt, I only have one, but it has slits on both sides, which I wanted to show you clearly in this video clip, but it's kind of too big, and it was only like $7 from Value Village. I cannot even wear this dress out. It is just so booby and so short, and if I moved, my boobs would pop out of it, but for purposes of this video, there it is. You're heading into midi dresses. I got this one at the thrift store as well. It is sheer, so it's going on top of the mini dress. I actually really like this as a bathing suit cover up or with like a black bra under and black underwear, and you can't really see anything because it's kind of a thicker sheer material, but it is kind of cool and it hits at a nice length. But my favorite midi dress that I have is this Aritzia one. It's a coral color. I think it's called the Daydreamer dress or something like that. But I really like the lace up back and the slit in the side, and it's a fun Europe dress. For denim shorts, these are not my favorites, but they're kind of the only pair that I have that I wear frequently. I had to kind of kneel down to show you, but they're from Dynamite. They are not that comfy, but they're okay. For leggings are something that everybody in the world has. These are just Lululemon Wonder Unders, I think. They are my favorites for some reason. There is a hole in the one side, as you can see, which I am devastated about completely, but I think I ripped them at work, I'm not sure. But I'm also gonna show you this business casual kind of pair of leggings. They're not really leggings, but they're just tighter pants, but I like them a lot. For trousers, these are the Aritzia Effortless pants, and I had to adjust them because they don't really fit me. They're a size 4, I need like a 6 or an 8, but they are really, really pretty. They're in a nice brown color. I have tons of pairs of trousers, but those ones are just kind of the prettiest to look at. For my favorite pairs though, I have these white ones, which are the Aritzia tie front pants. I don't use the tie, but I also thrifted Vince ones, which is cool. Leather pants, I am not putting these on today. That is just not going to be in the cards. Leather pants are kind of horrible, but I do like them for styling purposes. These are from Aritzia. They look really nice in the butt, but they are so tight on my waist. I need to buy a new pair, but I must say they are really, really cool. And they look really nice styled for a night out. But next up is jeans, and jeans are really impossible for me. I can never find a pair that fits my waist and my butt and my thighs. Usually they just won't go up my thighs, but these ones are kind of too big on me, but they are my favorite style. I like an oversized, baggy, straight leg fit. Okay, we are heading into bags, which is my favorite category. This is a Gucci shoulder bag I got for $65, which is crazy. This is a Gucci crossbody bag. It was unintentional double Gucci, I swear. But I got it for under $200 on Poshmark as well, which is super cheap. It sheds in all my stuff on the inside though, the lining's weird. But this tote bag is a YSL tote bag I got on Poshmark for $100. Yes, this is me telling you to go to Poshmark to buy your next designer bag. They're so cheap sometimes. But my laptop is too heavy for it. It kind of sags. Okay, for accessories, sunglasses are one of my favorites. These are my favorite pair of black ones. They're just from Aliexpress, but I like having black and brown that I love. Right now, I don't really have a brown pair that I love. Hoop earrings, these are gold hoop earrings from Madewell. I also have small real gold ones from Costco. Okay, this is clearly a different day. Who am I kidding? But we are heading into sneakers. These are the New Balance 550s. I love them. They're so comfy. I just wish I had them in a neutral color. I got them in Europe because they're impossible to find, so I got them in blue. Okay, for loafers, I got these from Zara recently. They were full price, unfortunately, but they are real leather. They're slightly too big. I don't know why they don't have half sizes. I just want an 8.5, but they're so nice. These heeled sandals are from Value Village as well. I got them for like $7 or $8, and they're nice, but they're completely destroyed. So I am on the hunt for a new pair, but it's not absolutely necessary. These are also thrifted, really cheap as well, but they're just like a Payless brand. They're kind of too tight on me, but I don't really wear pointed toe heels anyways, but I do kind of like them. I have worn the living hell out of these Zara sock boots. I got them in first year university and I wore them out every single time I went out. And they're so comfy, thank God about them. These tall boots are my favorite purchase of, well, I got them at the end of last year, but they're from Zara and they're real leather, and I got them for like half off, and they're so stunning. I cannot wait to wear them. Okay, so that's it for what I have in my perfect capsule wardrobe. I really love doing this video because I kind of just got excited about the different pieces in my wardrobe again, and I'm just really excited to style them in different ways. I think keeping in mind your favorite places to shop, and the activities you do, the places you work, the people you see, your favorite colors, I think that kind of all needs to be taken into consideration when figuring out the pieces you want to have in your capsule wardrobe. But when you focus on the key pieces, it just kind of makes it easier to make outfits and to have fun with it. But I don't think that's it. I think to look fashionable all the time, you need standout items in your closet that you can pair with more plain pieces. So if you have a fun top, you can pair it with a plain pair of bottoms. I also like having designer bags in different colors. Here are some of my favorites. So that's the perfect capsule wardrobe, at least in my opinion. For a customizable capsule wardrobe workbook, check the link in the description. You can print it out, fill in your pieces. It's really nice to keep you organized and to help you develop your capsule wardrobe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on 10 Minutes In. Bye.